Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve this makeup look. I don't know if the hair tutorial is going to be in this video, but if it's not in this video, look up here to click the link in order to learn how to get your hair like this. This video is just going to be about how I achieved this makeup look. These hearts, I kind of shocked myself because I didn't think it was going to come out right, but everything came together pretty good. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified when I upload another video. And stay tuned for more. So let's get into this video. So first I start by cleaning my face with these makeup wipes that I got from Target. They're similar to the Neutrogena wipes, but they're the Target brand of wipes. So I'm just cleaning my face with those. I'm just moisturizing my lips. You don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do it. Now I'm taking a brown pencil to start my brows. First I start underlining the bottom part of my brow and then I move forward to the top. After I'm done with the top, I fill in the brow part lightly. That way it's not too heavy because you don't want them to be too dark. Although you're using brown, like it will make your eyebrows look dark if you do use way too much. So if it looks crazy in the front, like boxy, it's okay, just as long as you use your spoolie or whatever tool you have to clean up the front. Also, when you underline your brows with the concealer, it's going to erase that, so don't worry if the front of your brows look a little crazy during this process. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. full coverage concealer in the shade Tan Walnut to go underneath the brows and clean them up. So I recommend using a flat rounded brush, but if you don't have that, you could either use a flat straight brush or a flat angled brush. Any one of those brushes will ensure that you get precise clean brows, so make sure that you have those brushes and you're not using any other brush but those. Now I'm going in with a darker shade. This is e.l.f.'s concealer, full coverage concealer also, but I ended up mixing the Tan Walnut and the Deep Ebony because the Deep Ebony, it was just like a little bit too dark, and I like seeing like where I'm lining my eyebrows up at, so it just wasn't working out. So I ended up mixing the two, and now I'm just buffing out the concealer that I put underneath my eyebrow and above it so that we can have a flawless blend. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. So to begin with the eyes, I'm getting some tape and I'm putting it at the ends of my eyes so that when we do the eyeshadow, it doesn't have like any like fallout that I have to clean up that will like put myself or the design in a predicament to like lose its precision. Also, I did put the same concealer on my eyelids so that I could prime my eyes. You cannot put eyeshadow on your eyelids without priming your eyes because it's just going to be dull and it's not going to look right. So make sure you prime your eyes. So now I'm taking these heart-shaped stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. You can get stickers from like Dollar Tree or like any like craft store that may be near you, or Target maybe, or even Walmart. So I'm just placing the stickers on my eyes to where I want them. So for today's shadow, I'm using the Morphe 24A Artist Palette and I'm taking the shade Volume so that I can start packing that on top of the stickers. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I was like so scared to do this middle sticker because as y'all can see, like it's lifting up a little bit. I thought that like the shadow was just gonna go like right under there and not even like give me like a heart shape, because like the sticker was too big, and they was sticking though. Like the stickers was actually like sticky. Like I didn't have to worry about it lifting or like coming off or anything, because you know sometimes stuff be cheap. So now I'm just taking off the stickers, and look how it came out. It came out so cute. So now I'm going in with a color from the same palette called Stage Persona, and that's like the lavender purple that's in there. I'm just putting that on top so that it could have like a nice blend to it. So now I'm going in with some concealer with the smallest brush I could find that I have to make sure that the hearts are precise and make sure it just looks, you know, how it needs to look. Like add some definition to it, because you don't just want to have like your skin there or like the primer that you had before you put the shadow on, because it might have creased. So I'm just adding some concealer to make sure these hearts are precise.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Now I'm just taking a white shadow to pack and set on the concealer that I placed there. Not a lot, because I didn't really want it to be like a color. I just wanted it to stay like neutral, so I'm just using a little bit of white.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
So to prime my face, I use Aquaphor. I can't use nothing else, so I'm just going in with some Aquaphor to prepare my face for the base. So to begin, I highlight first, and this is a Kiss Pro Touch concealer, and this is also full coverage, so it says, but I just apply that under my eyes. And you could use whatever concealer you use for yourself or recommend, but I recommend you use a concealer that's either a shade or two, maybe three, lighter than your regular skin tone. That way, like, it'll blend flawlessly, because you don't want like something under there that's like way too bright. Along with highlighting, I'm gonna contour my cheekbones, my forehead, as well as my nose, and then I'm gonna blend that out. But before I blend it, I put setting spray on my brush. That way it'll look, like more set. I don't know, I just find it better than doing it with like a beauty blender or a like dry brush. So I recommend you spray your brush with setting spray. That's a LA Colors setting spray. I got that from Dollar Tree as well.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, wanna make you my lady, girl, you amaze me.
So now I'm blending out my contour with a dry beauty blender. Don't knock it until you try it. I just feel like when you use a damp or wet beauty blender, it just picks up all the product or make it like go away. So then you have to go back in, put more product and blend it out again. So no, I use a dry beauty blender and I think it comes out pretty well. So if you would try it, let me know if you guys would try it in the comments. Tell me what you think.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Also, so this is totally off topic, but also in the comments, let me know what you guys think. Is it just me, or does anybody else think that Walmart is better than Target? Let me know. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know, because every time I go in Target, it's nothing in there. Aisles and shelves be mad dry. Like, I don't know. I feel like you can find everything that you want at Walmart rather than Target for an affordable or reasonable price. Like, Target is expensive and it don't be having nothing. Like, I don't know. The only thing they got there that is expensive and that I would probably go in there and spend my money on is probably Starbucks. That's about it. But as far as like what they be having, like as far as like makeup and stuff goes, no. I want my money back. So just let me know in the comments if I'm tripping. So after that's blended, I'm going in with my foundation. I use the Maybelline Dewy Smooth Foundation and my shade is 370. I like this foundation a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Before, I used to use the Makeup Revolution foundation, the full coverage one. That was back then when I didn't really know what I was doing and experimenting. But I like Maybelline way better. Like, it's amazing. So instead of setting powder, I go in with the Juvia's Place tan or medium contour palette, and I use the lightest shade in there to set under my eyes, and then I go in with the Juvia's Place dark contour palette to contour my cheeks and my forehead. Now I'm going to take my white P. Louise base and some glitter. And now first I'm going to put the glitter on my lower waterline. And I'm using Duo Lash Glue to apply it.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
So my camera started to die right here. All I did was apply bottom lashes and do my lip combo. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave me some comments below on what you guys thought about today's look and if you will rock this look for Valentine's Day.